In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove job alerts from LinkedIn. If LinkedIn is sending you too many job-related notifications, the good news is that you can easily manage them from your account settings. This is helpful if you no longer want email alerts, phone notifications, or in-app reminders about job opportunities. In this walkthrough, I'll show you exactly where to go so you can turn those alerts off in just a few moments. First, go to LinkedIn and make sure you're signed into your account. Once you're on the main LinkedIn page, look toward the top right area of the screen for the profile menu labeled Me. This menu is where you can access your personal account options and settings. Click on and to open the drop-down menu. When that menu appears, look for the option called Settings and Privacy and click on it. This will take you to the section where LinkedIn lets you control account preferences, visibility, security, and notifications. After you are in Settings and Privacy, find and click on Notifications. This area is where LinkedIn organizes all of the different alerts you can receive, including updates about your network, messages, recommendations, and job activity. Inside the Notifications section, look for the category called Searching for a Job. Click on that option to open the notification settings related specifically to job-seeking activity. This section includes the alerts LinkedIn may send you when it thinks a role matches your interests, searches, or job preferences. Now, you'll see the available notification controls. Use the toggles to turn off the types of alerts you no longer want. You may have separate switches for email, push, and in-app notifications. Email notifications are the messages sent to your inbox. Push notifications are the alerts sent to your mobile device, and in-app notifications are the updates you see directly inside LinkedIn. Turn off any of these options based on your preference. If you want to completely stop job alerts, make sure all of those toggles are switched off. If you only want fewer interruptions, you can leave one type on and disable the others. Once you've changed the toggles, your settings should update automatically. That means you usually don't need to click a save button. It's a good idea to quickly double check that each notification type is set the way you want before leaving the page. And that's it. You've successfully removed job alerts from LinkedIn. This is a simple way to keep your notifications cleaner and make your LinkedIn experience less distracting.